next startup is here. Feel free to network with Carrotspot to find out what he had to say in the end, but I had to stop. Ecotrek Tech, ready? Everything ready. All right, take it away.
Okay, hi, I'm Julina Nesti, and me and Eric, he's over there, we are here with Ecotrek. And what we do is a data-driven, sustainable decision-making platform. So, you've all probably heard that sustainability is actually getting a big thing. But do you also know that only 70% of corporates' impact and emissions are in their supply chains and not within their core operations? And even more, only 4% of those corporates are actually capable of calculating and managing and reducing their emissions or the whole impact in their supply chain. Well, I do understand this. It's a huge process. You have to do a lot of manual Google research, you have to send a lot of emails, you have to send crisscross, different kind of Excel spreadsheets, and in the end you burn like 50K just on this process, typically in a procurement department. And now, even if you do this huge process, you don't even generate a database that can actually help you to treat sustainability as a strategic topic. So that's why we came up with Ecotrek. We are a comprehensive B2B platform that automates this whole process. So we have one side that actually want to provide sustainability data, and the other side who demands those data to tackle sustainability within their supply chain. By automating this whole process, we generate a database that enables corporates and companies to tackle sustainability and get into the analytics of the actual impact of the supply chain, of their emissions, and then how to reduce it, actually. And how do we do that? We replace manual research by technology. We gather different kind of data sources into one comprehensive Ecotrek sustainability profile of a company. So we integrate public data sets like non-financial reports from big companies. We totally focus on primary data because they are the most valuable ones if you want to do actual impact within your supply chain. And we also include third-party data. And what makes us special on the market? Within our platform, you can access the data instantly and objectively. So we are transparent and we're not doing any rating or doing a subjective algorithm. We want to decode greenwashing by collecting comprehensive, objective raw data and then enable our customers to access them instantly in our platform and also assess them. And what is very special with us, because we have this unique objective data set that you can apply a tailored sustainability rating of your partners and the companies you want to work with according to your own sustainability strategy and goals. And this is our team. We are based in Berlin, and currently we're looking for pilot customers, business angels, and investors. So please hit me up.
Super, super. Time for the questions. Carolina, would you like to start?
Yeah, thank you very much. So who is your client? Like what kind of company can buy the product? Because supply chains are really different in different companies. So what is the profile of your client?
Right, so we are very early stage, so we are funded in May, and currently we're starting a pilot project with a German corporate, and we're focusing on the manufacturing industry. Exactly, so we have but two sides. So currently we're working with the manufacturing supply chain of a corporate, and so we also onboard all these companies to actually provide those data, and but also we're talking to a lot of SMEs and institutions working with SMEs to understand their needs and how to make it as easy as possible to them to onboard and also to automate the process of them and get them into doing sustainability, not into just answering emails.
Mm-hmm. And where in the supply chain are you planning to start? Because, for example, in the food tech sector, even in manufacturing of food, you will start probably at farm, where the supply chain starts. Is it the point also of a start for you, or not really?
No, we are focusing on tier one supplier, so that you, like with the one who you actually work with, have an insight on what they do, and not, so it's more in the width of the supply chain, not in the depths.
Any other questions? Christian, Matt? All right. I mean, we still have the time. So, okay.
Yes, so if I can, or maybe Matt, do you have a question? If yes, please go.
Okay, so where are you right now with this solution? I mean, how many data points do you collect? Because as I see it, you provide the advantage of having all of the data in one place. So how many data points are you integrating? How are you coping with different data formats? And could you elaborate on that?
Yeah, I can tell you something about that. So currently, since we are like super early stage, we integrate some data sets, but what we are focusing right now is especially because we have so many different reporting standards in different formats to develop the software and the user system for the supply side so that you can onboard those data super efficiently and quick. So we definitely focus on the
You said that you're starting a pilot. How many data sets will be used in this pilot?
So since the pilot is with the demand side, so there's one corporate giving us their first tier suppliers, and then we onboard the primary data of this first tier suppliers. And like a side project is to integrate those different data sets, but we know that the primary data will be key to make a better impact on the supply chain sustainability, and that's why we're focusing on that and automating this process to integrate those primary data.
So you are providing a way to pull the sustainability data from the subcontractors and suppliers.
Yeah.
So
definitely the
you're
first
a
step,
reporting
process
tool.
optimization.
It's a reporting tool for them, right?
No, it's kind of, in the first step, a process optimization and a communication tool, how to interchange sustainability information between companies, which is currently just not efficiently and not automated, yeah.
And what is your strategy then? Let's say that the pilot will go fine, then you will have another pilots, probably clients. How do you plan to sell the product? In which business model? What is, probably you don't know the pricing as yet, but some kind of a strategy for later stages.
Are they paying for the pilot?
Yeah, we have someone who will pay us for the pilot, but we have those two sides. So the demand side will be paying a monthly rate for using our service. We try to make it for free for the supply.
So it's a service business model.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
I'm very sorry, but the time is up.
No worries.
But feel free to network later. Big applause here for the
Thank you very much.
Ecotrek Tech.